Hello everyone. Today we have to learn some words how to pronounce in British English and how to pronounce in American English, and also learnt about the differences between them. Actually the word is same but their pronunciation, some spellings are different. First is aeroplane. In British English, we have to say aeroplane, but in American English, we have to say airplane. The meaning is same, but the spelling and the pronunciation will be different. Chemist in British English, but in American English, we have to say drug house or drug store. Gray. Here we have to write E in British English, but in American English, pronunciation will be same, gray, but the spelling will be different. Gray, gray. Jumper and the American English will be sweater. It's jewelry, but in American English, jewelry. Meter, the pronunciation are same, meter and meter, but notice that the spelling metre, and here we have to write meter. This is the difference. Tire and tire, tyre and tire. Waistcoat, but American only vest, vest, vest. Jeep and zipper. So there are some silly differences between them in British English and American English. Sometimes we have to confused that this is right or this is right, but in some situation both are correct. So let's know and like, share, subscribe my channel English Vidya with Payal.